Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Dining Delicious. Today I will be sharing with you a very special chicken recipe. This is the Bengali style chicken curry. So let's start and see how it's made. I have taken 1100 grams of chicken with bone pieces which I will marinate. To marinate the chicken, we need to make a paste made from 2 pieces of ginger, approximately 10 grams, 4 cloves of garlic, approximately 30 grams, and 1 green chili. Together we turn them into a fine paste in a mixer. Now we will add this paste to the chicken. Also, we add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Cover the chicken pieces very nicely with the spices. Set aside for 10 minutes. Now we will take 3 potatoes, approximately 250 grams, and cut them into halves. Next we will finely slice 3 onions, approximately 300 grams. We will dice into pieces 1 tomato, approximately 100 grams. Now, in a pan, we heat up 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Normally, in Bengal, this curry is made in mustard oil. But here, I am using sunflower oil. Now, in the hot oil, we add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. This will give a nice color to the chicken gravy. Add 1 bay leaf. Now we will add the finely sliced onions to this. On high heat, fry the onions till they are nice golden brown. It's approximately for 8 minutes. Now, as you can see that the onions have become translucent and light brown, we add the potatoes. Continue to fry the onions and the potatoes. After around 8 minutes, we put the heat to medium. On medium heat, continue to saute for 2 more minutes. Now we will add the marinated chicken to this. On high heat, saute and cook the chicken nicely for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. Add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Continue to saute everything very nicely. Add the tomato pieces. Mix everything well and continue to saute. After 5 minutes, we put the heat to medium and continue cooking. Add salt as per your taste. I have added around 1.5 teaspoon more of salt. Now on medium heat, I have cooked the chicken for around 7 to 8 minutes. Now increase the heat and on high heat continue cooking for 3 more minutes. Stir very nicely. As you can see that the spices have released oil and a nice color has come. At this point, simmer the heat. Add 1.5 cup of lukewarm water. On high heat, bring it to a boil. Give it a good stir. When it starts boiling, simmer the heat and cover the pan for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we open the lid. Give a good stir. Now on high heat, continue cooking for 3 more minutes. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Stir nicely. Now switch off the heat and cover the pan. Give it a standing time of 5 to 10 minutes before serving. So, our Bengali chicken curry is ready to be served. I hope you would definitely like to try this out. Please do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Also, if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more interesting recipes. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye-bye.